Hi friends, it's me, Indiana Jones, and guess what? I have just enough time for an indie quickie. That's right, a Christmas indie quickie. We should always make time for a quickie during Christmas, don't you think? Anyway, I just wanted to make something that's so big, so hot out there, and it's with these little damn red trucks. That's right, we've seen these red trucks all over the place for Christmas, and I thought, hey, let's make a craft that we can do for these little red trucks, because we all know that these red truck decor things that you go to these stores for, it costs quite a bit, but for like $3-4 we'll make something really cute. So I'm gonna make a diorama. Remember these things from like school? You had to make a diorama. Well, it's kind of like a diorama. So what we're gonna get first is one of these things. What is this? It's one of those frames that, one of these artwork things that they have at the dollar store, but what's important to me is what's in here. So we're gonna take this apart very delicately. Do it with a smile. Anyway, I'm gonna take this apart, and what I need is this inside part, the back part. Then we're gonna find a gift bag. And I like this gift bag because, and you can use a gift bag or any kind of paper that you might have on hand, but I like the wintry feel of this gift bag. So I'm just gonna cut it in half. Yes, I'm probably gonna cut Santa out of the truck there. I wish I didn't have to, but it's just the exact size right where he's at. Yes, I know it's fascinating to watch me cut. So what we're gonna need is a bag. We need the little truck. It doesn't have to be necessarily that red truck. It could be a red truck from any store. And some Mod Podge, because we're gonna Mod Podge this backdrop right into here. Let me cut this in half again. Now these sides are pretty cute, so don't throw those out. Actually, let me see. Excuse me. So I hope you're all doing very well with your Christmases out there and you're crafting up a storm, or you're too busy to craft. Look, for me, I'm too busy to craft, but when I get to craft and just have fun with it like I'm doing right now. Now you know me, I'm not the kind of person to throw things away, so I'm gonna cut these little ribbon things off. Could have untied it, but you know, we're in a rush, it's a quickie. But I'm not gonna throw this away because I could possibly use that for another craft. We'll throw it over there. And there you go. I know Santa's head is there, but you're not gonna see it later, you'll see. So let's get that in, and don't worry about this back here either. You just wanna measure it. You gotta cut the little corners. Gotta cut the corners when it comes to Christmas. And remember, you're not gonna see all this after, because it's gonna be more than a diorama. It's almost gonna be like a snow globe frame. A snow globe frame? It's a snow globe frame. Bet you haven't seen that at the store, right? There you go, it's a pretty good fit. Now don't worry about the sides, because the sides I'm gonna fix up with a frame, because that's the other thing I'm gonna get, is an actual frame the same size. And you'll see how that works in. So I'm just gonna pour some Mod Podge, whee, real quick. And Mod Podge it in. And again, Mod Podge comes from the Plaid Corporation. Why do I like Plaid Corporation so much? Because they're actually sponsoring me. I just got an email from them saying that because I'm an influencer and a crafter, that they're gonna be sending me more materials and more products on a monthly basis or a quarterly basis, depending on what new products they have out there. So I'm very proud of being part of the Plaid product family. I love using Mod Podge anyway, so here we go. Slip that in, press it down, try to get it all the way to the top. Now, the bottom has a gap, and you're like, why does it have a gap on the bottom? You'll see. Because I'm gonna take some styrofoam. Where did this styrofoam come from? Guess where? The Dollar Tree. It was in between the frames, so I'm like, you know what? I don't like to throw things away. So I'm gonna cut like a little like snow mound, whatever you wanna call it. Doesn't have to be perfect. There you go. Okay, it should be a little longer, sorry. And all this styrofoam that's coming off of it, don't worry about it, we're gonna use that, you'll see. Okay, so there you go, it's a little long. Now it's a little short. I cut up the corner, cut the corner there. And we're gonna rough it up a little. We're gonna rough it up in this. Why in this? Because I wanna keep the styrofoam. Now, if you've ever worked with styrofoam, you can like shape it using another thing of styrofoam. We're just trying to make it look like, you know, a little snowy kind of glen. There we go. And it should fit right in there. Look at that. Fits right in there. So let's glue gun that down. But before we do that, I got to decide whether I'm going to use this little tree in the background. Take a little thingy off. Or should I use these little trees? Right there. No, I like the white tree. So I'll glue gun the white tree back there. Let's do this side. It's a little flatter. All right. Pull it up a little higher because it's being difficult. And I'm just creating a little wedge for the tree trunk. There we go. Now it fits perfect. Yay. Glue gun, glue gun, glue gun. Wee, wee, wee. There we go. See? Little mountainous area there. And you can rough it up a little more using a scissor just to make it look more real. So it looks more snowy. You're probably like, why is she not showing us what she's doing? Well, because it's trying to get all the snow in there. That's okay, we'll do it like this. We'll do it like this. A little more glue over here. And I'm sorry if I'm like rushing, but you know, it's a quickie. Then, I'm gonna take this apart. Basically, I'm just gonna rip, oh, well, I can't rip it. Rip the little sign off of the Merry Christmas. Don't throw that away, we're gonna use that, you'll see. There's like flurries. There's flurries, look at all the snow all over the place here. All right, get the little ribbon off. There we go. And there's your truck. Your truck is right over a little snow mound there. You're gonna just wanna make it a little rough. There we go. Okay. So we're just gonna glue that in. Does the tree work with that there? No, maybe not. Does the tree work with that? Yeah, it works with it. So just glue this down. Da, 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 da. It's fascinating, I know. So I'm just gonna glue that down right there. Melt the styrofoam a little so it gets right in. Look at that there. Get the little spiders off of there. And you're like, wow, Annie, you're done. I'm like, no, not really. Wait, you'll see. Now to give it a little sparkle, we're gonna use some Epsom salts. But, see, look at it there. Now we're gonna use this frame. And you're like, what is this frame for? Why is she complicating things? Oh my God, what is she doing? Don't worry. You see this thing? I wanted to cover it. So I thought this would be cool. I'm gonna have to do something here. Smush it in, smush it in, okay. So, yeah, this is lovely, the home, the memories, whatever. Just gotta get it out of there. I don't care about this. I don't care about that. Let me get it out. Get it out. So you open it. Oh my gosh. Ah, this quickie's taking longer than I thought it would. All right. But it's not that long. I mean, really. Not really. Then take all the innards out. Oh, you're gonna be difficult. I have to get this one out too. Oh my Lord. Jeez. Okay, it's done, it's done, it's done. Here we go. My gosh, did they glue this in here? What the hell? Sorry. What the hey? The hey, children. All right. All right. There we go. Look, it's done. Now, before we seal this up, make sure you don't have any glue, spider webs, or anything like that. Look, you're gonna put some snow. Snow, dee 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 dee, la da da da, snow, da da da. See, we just make our own snow. You don't have to buy it. You make your own. Little snow, la da 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 da, in the snow. Oh, dee 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 dee. Okay, got enough snowballs in there? I think so. And we're gonna use some Epsom salts. Why? Why not? I already had it here. So this will add to it. Look, more snow, more snow. It's like hail, hail and snow. And rain. Okay, then I got some schmutz on my glass. How did that happen? Hold on, let me get the schmutz off. Okay, then we're gonna take this and you're just gonna put a bead of glue all over the glass, and then carefully, without getting glue on your fingers like I just did, put the glass. And then you thought, oh, okay, we're done now. No, we're not done. Because then we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that, because we have that, and it's there anyway, so we might as well, right? So this is a rustic farmhouse, woodland, red truck craft. You can do lickety frickin' split. I think that's in the middle. Voila. And then you can shake it. And there's snow. Look at that, it's cool. There's snow coming out all over the place, but it's cool nonetheless. I like it, don't you? That is cute. I think it's really cute. And then, you know, the sides are purple right now, but you can put ribbon around it, or I'm not gonna pick out any ribbon right now, but you can put ribbon around it and finish it up. So that's my latest Indie Quickie. Thanks so much for joining me, and come back for more. Bye, Merry Christmas.